I'm back. Yeah, I went to buy tortilla for, I already eat. My family is having lunch. So yeah. Oh, Sidereus too. Live session. At this point, I'm using Visual Studio Code because it's, it has already support. What I was doing. Oh yeah, we were looking into this. We have problem with this. Yeah, in here. Well, I don't know. I remember pausing this. Okay, there is a problem there. And also the coordinates. It first goes to the right, then there. Okay, and let me here stop. Yeah, this is messy. This is it's not working. Look at this. I'm not. I don't feel. We need to rework this part. Also, I don't like this thing. Perhaps this is. I don't know. Sure, if this should be here. It's like doing it again from scratch. I'm going to delete this button. People will arrive. We learn from here. Well, I learn. Okay, here's my website. We the big. When I show this to the people around, they wanted to roll the die without even playing, without pressing play. And once with the finger, if you are one can delete mouse. So yes. music is good. Composed by me. Pro Tools. I spend a lot of time talking. Yeah. So in here, I'm not. Uh, I am not. Let's switch this thing. I am not providing play for this game. We will delete this, and it will be only the ship here. And when people start exploring by pressing any part of this, any place, and then the start will begin. The game will start, uh, and yeah, that's all. And uh, so we will need a global state to see if a user has pressed for the first time, so the game is started, and if there are second events, then uh, it will only process the in-game stuff. So let's start with that. Deleting play. Also, we will. I will, since we have this big tic-tac-toe using UI. Probably there will be a class over here UI to take care of this. So now play button. Now this thing, so I'm going to delete from here these two and see what happens. Oh, okay, it gets this small. I don't want that. Uh, I will be here only for about some 10 minutes because I have a job interview. Hopefully, this interviewer will be, straightforward and say if they are asking for, some technology is not it's mandatory to have any single, skill like in some, I don't know. And then, yeah, I can come back over here, study some mathematics, record a video of my obesity. I have lost like more than 25 kilos. Let's see. Uh, let's ask this uh, advanced tools, which I'm not being sarcastic. Sarcastic. Those 2 pounds. Look at this, 55 pounds. In reality, what the scale says, oh my God, this, like they should have people like saying the user might want, if they are converting measures, they might want to, some button over here so the query is ready again with different numbers. I don't know why I don't have ideas. I have lots of ideas. No commitment to implement any of those ideas because it's hard to motivate yourself without no money in place. But still, I do this reading and some toy programming, some exercises because I like it. I am passionate about it. But yeah, they should have people like we want to, like repeat the query with different numbers. So let's put a button over here. So the query is now again here. It's up to them. They rule the world. 20, yeah, the scale is for 28, 28 and a half. Let's see. So it's 28 and a half. This series should be called Spending Time with Caleb. Wasting your time with Caleb. Yeah, wasting your time with Caleb. Uh, that would be a great title for this series of videos. Wasting your time with Caleb. So 62, but I have shared lots of information in all the videos. In the hope and in the future there is this algorithm. Um, yeah, there is this algorithm extracting patterns and s- you know, according to Judea Pearl, yeah, I have lost 62 pounds. So let's Judea Pearl, according to Judea Pearl, okay, this guy is like the big time uh, Turing Award, causal inference, and he's saying that machines will replace humans. It is it is not a matter of if it will happen or not. It is a matter of when. So by having these videos and this information, hopefully in the future, some machine, I'm not sure if they will, uh, I'm not sure if this guy is reasoning can be programmed. I haven't read the book on probabilistic reasoning by this guy, to be honest. I started the book, but I haven't finished. Like any other book I start these days, I don't know what happened to me. I haven't think hard thought. I haven't give too much thought to this topic. I think I need to read this guy, his books. So while reasoning can be programmed and free will can be emulated, I suppose. I'm not sure if a machine. Most likely this is pseudo science fiction or some fantasies. But let's see some machine is able to find these videos and ask questions. Why this guy is saying all these things back in the day? like 200 years ago. In the future, people will know the truth as long as there are other people willing to stand their ground. It's not my case. But yeah, the more information out there, the better. So publish everything, and if I have the resources, I will put my entire life in online, the entire 24 hours, the entire year, even my thoughts. So machine learning algorithms, AI algorithms can, people working because those entities are creations, are devices by these mathematicians. But so people have uh, gazillions of data to process and to work with. Yeah, probably I will read these books eventually, but now I need some mathematics first. The one called The Book of Why You Don't Require Any Heavyweight Mathematics. So yeah, and let's go back to Sidereus. Remember what happened with Pig at the beginning. We were wasting our time. I was wasting your time. And then at the end, we were having this 6 hours session to finish the game. So perhaps this is the case. Now I have this. I have I have this documentation. Let's see if I can grab it. Yeah, I was reading this yesterday. I want this, right? Document, but also it's in the body. Okay, let's make a test. No, let's make a test. Let's make a test. We, I was expecting for this to, by clicking enter. Yeah, but perhaps you need to write some ID. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's cool. Nonsense. Non nonsense. How do you write this? Nonsense and silly. Nonsense silly. Nonsense silly. Nonsense silly. Nonsense silly. Okay, we have this scroll. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. Okay, I'm scrolling the website, the web page. Now we are going to see to put this style that we are mentioning in body. overflow, hidden. I like the calculations because you know what needs to be there, and you just don't want to type it. It's not the case that the machine or the digital computer is telling you the answer. No, it's assisting you. You already know what you want, what needs to be written, but you just want to say, make this web page unscrollable, and the code will be generated, and you will review the result and code. At this point, you will review the code, but in the future, even now, people don't care, but in the future, even less. So they will only want to see the results. Okay. All right. Now we are able to scroll the web page. So we have succeeded. Now we can send this. Uh, but I don't like this. This wasn't here. Let us see. How do you command code in here? Sharp? No. Uh, is like HTML. And here you will say comment this line of code. Recommend it, you know. Maybe this. Maybe this. All right, we get it. No, that's good. When you know few programming languages, you know they share something. Okay. Okay, so the thing is here, so I'm okay with that. We can leave it. Perhaps yeah, I will have some lunch. But first, my interview. Now we need this thing to. I haven't played that many video games. I remember playing this. These new pictures are everywhere. You need to be careful when presenting. Back in the day, people really didn't care about it. So yeah, yeah. So I was playing this video game in the arcades, and what I was saying, I'm not sure. Well, yes, this is the only shooting game that I have played. I have played Metal Slug, but uh, not really. Just the first level. I wasn't good at that game. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of Sidereus too. Now people will be clueless about what they are seeing in the screen. But people are smart, so they will, start pushing uh, right, what needs to be done here. Okay, now we need to make this. Uh, You know, I need to finish this because I have my interview. Wish me luck. Most likely I won't get the job because that has been the story for the past 2 years. Uh, with okay, we didn't care about this. Okay, let's see how it looks. Look at this. Okay. Oh, we got a problem. We got a problem. Is this game in my repository? Well, see you later. Or maybe tomorrow. Or maybe I don't know. Maybe I won't finish this game. I will finish because I already started it, but I'm not sure when the next session will be. Stay in touch. Thank you very much. Bye. And sorry for all the nonsense. Chit chat. Bye.